With the rare disease I have, everyone's always concerned with how I handle 3 dogs. Well, here you go. I'm serving up Pepper's food. Next, I move on to Ginger's food. I was running low, so at the end, I just said F it and poured the rest in. Next is Peach's food. She's a little bit more diva-ish, so she has to have water in hers. Don't mind the mess, it's dishwashing day. Next, I feed them all separately, so that there's no issue with food aggression, or one stealing each other's food, and there you go. Just making sure Ginger's eating. Next, it's Pepper's turn. As you see Ginger in the background, she's eating her food. And she's going to check. Ooh, she noticed the camera. Alright. Next, Peaches. Oops. I dropped a little water. That's okay. And there you have it. They're all being fed, and by the time I finished recording, Ginger had already ate.